You see that little pieces of black material. I want to get all of that out of the expansion joint. And there's all the expansion joint that's kind of broken down over time that we want removed. So I'll press the backer rod into place. This is pretty firm, but that is how I like it. And it'll make for a really nice finished product where the sealant easily sits on top of the backer rod. I'm just using the handle of a putty knife to push it down about 1/4 inch to 1/2 of an inch below the concrete surface. I just finished up that first roll of 10 foot of backer rod. So I just positioned a shim between the ground surface and the concrete to stop the sealant. So I just take my time, and since this is semi-self-leveling, it kind of does most of the work for you, just as long as you apply a relatively consistent amount of sealant as you go along. Now I am using one tube, and I actually got across the entire stretch of 17 feet only using one 30-ounce tube, which was great, and was a lot less than I thought. Overall, it looks great. You could sprinkle some sand on top of the sealant, just sprinkling a light coating, not too much. And then after about 10 minutes, I went along with my leaf blower and I just blew off all the extra, so there was only a very thin coating of sand on top of the sealant to help it blend in with the concrete surface. Overall, the expansion joint is in much better shape. It's going to help to keep that water out, because in my area we go through many freeze-thaw cycles, so if I can keep the water out of an expansion joint, that should help to extend out my driveway and the concrete life.